food at school. So please welcome the first speaker of the affirmative team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Honorable to the judges and all of you by audience. As we know, the junk food isn't a good food. It can make us be illness or be sick. Then, if the junk food isn't a good food, then how we ban the junk food at our school? As we know, at the school, have a young generation can be our goals, in the future. If they eat the junk food, it can make our future be bad because junk food can make lots of sick, illness, and etc. Then how we ban the junk food at our school? I have, in our opinion, we have some steps. First, we need to teach our student, the teachers need to teach their student that give their motivation that the junk food isn't good. If the teacher give the student motivate the junk food isn't good, maybe some student will realize that isn't good for me, isn't good for us. They will stop with himself. And the second is tell to our canteen people to motivate him too that the junk food isn't good. To tell our canteen people. Then if our motivate is success, our canteen people will realize that junk food isn't good. We can sell to the student because it can make more sick. Okay. And the third, if the canteen people didn't want the junk food, then the school need to make a law that don't allow the canteen people to selling the junk food. That is because if the school not what we call not if the school not make a law, it can be bad because the student will be free to eat junk food. Then the third, maybe we can make a corporation that's selling a corporation in our school that's selling the good food, the healthy food to our student. That can make a last step maybe before the law, and we can make a good corporation that's selling a healthy food. Maybe that's all about our steps to ban the junk food. Maybe we have more time, but I don't know what to tell more because this step, the first step, I think our thing is a good step to ban the junk food. That's all I can say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The first speaker of the affirmative team spent the time 2 minutes 56 seconds. So now please welcome the first speaker of the negative team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We're from the Mansaman and we show you the Mansaman too. I'm sorry to my friend. And the statement is, I agree with junk food. At school, ban junk food to school. Why junk food? Why junk food not? Why junk food make we not help? Because the junk food is very bad. Why bad? Because the junk food contains the fatty and static chemistry. Ladies and gentlemen, the contents in the junk food very really bad. The carbohydrate, vitamin, school. And thank you to attention. Is the statement and one is the junk food is the food has a short time to make, and the junk food not have time with love. The junk food as example and either and other. So we ask the student to make the junk food from the house. Don't ban junk food with sanitary message to school. To attention, sorry if a mistake. I end up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The first speaker of the negative team spent the time 2 minutes 30 seconds. So then please welcome the second speaker of the affirmative team. The second speaker of the affirmative team.
Thank you to negative group. First, you miss. Why? Because your speech according nice to reward us, but your speech is support us. So I agree with you because you agree with me. So, first, you wrong because your group is support us. Second, you wrong the second, you're wrong because you are not the best my group. Thank you.
The second speaker of the negative team spent the time 54 seconds. So now please welcome the second speaker of the negative team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm the secondly speaker. I want to ask for you, why we wrong? But the junk food is very bad and really very bad food. So if we eat the junk food, maybe our body is not concentration. And that's one. I disagree about junk food. If junk food is not healthy, but in my opinion, if the public make junk food in school for health, yes, and I agree because the junk food is healthy. But if the junk food make our body sick or another, maybe I'm disagree. So if we want our body healthy and concentration high, we can at house, just at house. Don't take in school, and that is simple. And the junk one help. Okay, thank you very much. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The second speaker of the negative team spent the time 1 minute 12 seconds. So now please welcome the third speaker of the affirmative team.
the church speaker, you know, it's junk food. Sorry, my mistake. The first, you won't because in the captive group, you know what's mean to the captive group. The second, you won't come, you still support us. And you won't the second. Okay, this is just from me. Thank you.
The third speaker of the affirmative team spent the time 27 seconds. So now please welcome the third speaker of the negative team.
I as the third speaker, now I want to explain to you. We agree with your opinion, but we don't to support you. In this time, we tell about our opinion because in fact, the food is very bad to our body. So we tell with our opinion, but our opinion and your opinion is there.
The third speaker of the negative team spent the time 47 seconds. And now it's time to give reply speech. And for the reply speaker of the negative team, time is yours. Please welcome the reply speaker of the negative team.
Thank you for my details. You say, but we support you. But I don't support you. But I just agree with your opinion. Because we all know the junk food is bad. In the world now, the junk food is bad. The junk food is bad. I agree with you because you said the junk food can make illness, and this your opinion is right, right? As for us, we could agree with you, and I will replay the we group opinion. I agree junk food is full because the junk food is very bad. I claim it's very bad. Ladies and gentlemen, why junk food very bad? Because the junk food contains the fatty food and synthetic chemistry and not contains the carbohydrates, vitamin and protein. As for us, junk food should not do eating. And at school, we better bring the food which make in the house. Why? Because food. Junk food is the food which has a short time to make, very short. As you know, we have the water hot, and we can make even we can eating the noodles and the result of opinion my group. But junk food at school, I agree, and junk food is very bad. Eating stick with strawberry, if we have mistake, I'm sorry. I end up. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The reply speaker of the negative team spent the time 3 minutes 20 seconds. So now the last one. Please welcome the reply speaker of the affirmative team.
Okay, for my summary, as I tell before that the junk food isn't good, and I have give the steps that how we made the junk food at our school. The first step, 4 of them. You tell that you don't support us, but you don't remove my step. My 4 step, 4 of them, you don't remove 1 of them. That's mean you agree with us. That's good. Okay, second, you support us according you don't remove our step, because the negative group, his word is to remove the affirmative group. We are affirmative. We give the solution, and you negative. You must remove that. Not argue with that. You tell the junk food isn't healthy and then something like that. That is reason. We tell about how we made, and you need to rebut us that my step is wrong, like this is wrong. You must tell the new step that is more effective, but than our. You must not do like that. Then the summary is for our step, and then give us, okay? That we should make our step a reality. In our school, maybe sometimes we can't be a teacher. We need to teach our students that junk food isn't good, and to motivate our country people to not selling the junk food to our students in our school. Okay, just that. Okay, just that. Can I say, Subhanallah wa bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum.
The reply speaker of the affirmative team spent the time 1 minute 50 seconds. So for the team, thank you so much. We can back to the page right now.